Good afternoon. This is Victor Jimenez with Sewerline Check Professionals. I'm here at 27349 Chesterfield Drive in Valencia, and I'm in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping which is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping which is underneath or interior to the structure. Today's video examination is not focused on the building drain line system, so further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system. A licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. Alright, so I've accessed today's main sewer line from a 3.5-inch maintenance access located at the rear of the structure. And this is because the main sewer line cleanout for this line has actually been covered up with some landscaping. So as part of this, I pushed through about 60 feet of building drain system. I went ahead and located the camera right as it exits the structure and becomes the main sewer line. And then I went ahead and marked out with a pink marker flag the location that the main sewer line cleanout needs to be extended and exposed. And that's going to be for proper maintenance and cleaning of the line, which is going to be necessary due to the materials that we ran into today. So the total length of the main sewer line is approximately 70 feet. And we're going to be coming from this public sewer connection point back up first to the length of the main sewer line. Then we're going to pass through some of the building drain system, and I'll show you our access point today. Now, pulling away from public sewer, we are in a 6-inch diameter vitrified clay piping. Now, the vitrified clay is a very common material for main sewer lines, has a long service life expectancy. However, it is more susceptible to damage during earthquakes and seismic activity. And it also has a tendency to let in roots of the joint areas. Now, when I was pushing out, I didn't see any obvious or major breaks. That's good. But we're just going to kind of keep an eye out for that, make sure there wasn't anything that was missed when we were getting out there. Now, the directional path of the line is, it exits the house basically right in front of the front door, a little bit to the left of the front door, in that kind of planter area. Runs along the walkway, then it makes a diagonal, kind of jog to the driveway, and then straightens out again and runs over that way to connect to public sewer. So this section of clay pipe is what's under the sidewalk and the street, and then we'll be changing materials here pretty soon. But so far, with what we've seen in this clay pipe, it's in pretty good shape. It's in acceptable condition. It is functioning as intended. No real roots to speak of, which is good. No breaks or cracks. It's also excellent.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I just have a little bit of water running now. So I'll pull back. So we're doing a change of materials here. We're in that section of vitrified clay. We're now in the section of PVC plastic piping. So the PVC and other modern plastics are an excellent material for main sewer lines. They have a long service life expectancy. They also are intended to be impervious to root intrusions. And lastly, they have a smooth enough surface which makes them very efficient at washing out debris. So overall, that's an excellent material. We have about another 20 feet here, and then we're going to be at the point where the building, we're connected to the building drain system, and that's pretty noticeable too. We have another change of materials when that occurs. Alright. So right at this point, we're now entering the building drain system. So just before I get into that, I'll just kind of do a quick recap. Essentially, we've got sections of plastic and clay. Plastic looks fine, no breaks, no cracks, nothing to fix on that. Same thing goes with the section of clay. Only other recommendation on the clay is that because it is that clay pipe, it will have the tendency to let in roots. And so you're going to want to make sure that regular maintenance and cleanings are done on that portion of the line. Now, at this point, we're pulling into the building drain system. Not the focus of my examination, but I did pass through a significant portion of it, so I will comment. All of the building drain system that I saw today is a modern ABS plastic. Another type of plastic pipe, most notably different than that is the color. Also, the different materials and the kind of sealant that they use between the PVC and the ABS plastic. The PVC is that white plastic. The ABS is this black plastic. A little bit of different materials used to make the plastics, but essentially they operate pretty much the same way. And didn't see any issues with the plastic under the building when I passed through it. Again, just kind of keeping an eye out, making sure there's nothing that was missed. But so far, no repairs to recommend. Alright, we have about another 15 feet or so, and we'll be pulling out of this cleanout that I accessed. I'll walk you through that when we get to that point. Alright, we're pulling out of this cleanout now. Alright, first thing I'll do, I'll show you here. Alright, so you can see here, this was our access point today. Got this black plastic cap here on the side of the wall. Alright, so that's our access point. We're here in the back of the structure, going up to the pool area. So yeah, no repairs to recommend. So with that, I'm going to be wrapping up the video portion of the examination for today. Once again, this is Victor Jimenez with Throughline Check Professionals. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.